All right, guaranteed debt removal. Liberty Aid is the only place you're going to get that, or our companion site, jackmckegg.com. This Liberty Aid currently has a payment gateway, is processing payments. The bankers really don't like this information. We're so good at what we do. But we have a guarantee, and guarantee to remove your debt. Why? All debt by every bank is collected illegally. Every credit union, every commercial lender out there. So if they're saying a bill is owed, they lent you money, they've never lent any money. No bank has ever lent any money, despite their lies, right? That they give loans and so on. They don't. And they don't have the paperwork to support that. I'm an accountant with an MBA and also a separate master's degree in accounting and 30 years plus of experience, and all my YouTube videos on the proof that I beat the banks and the testimonials that we have from other people, right? We have all these testimonials on you got to check them out. Here's that, and there are more too. We're going to build them into the website, and we have a 90-day money back guarantee. I mean, there's basically, if you owe any money, and I think almost everyone does really, if you personally owe any money, we guarantee to remove that debt. The process is successful. You see, since all debt is collected illegally by every bank, every lender, every credit union, they don't have the proof to support that the debt is owed. And so we know how to enforce that they don't have the proof, well, then they have to remove the debt. So it's really quite a simple process. They're the liars. I'm an accountant, so you gotta, if someone's gonna ask, if a lender's gonna ask for debt, right? Oh, you owe this debt, okay? They have to have the proof in the paperwork format, right? They have to be able to show, see, you owe the debt. And if they don't have that proof in paperwork, well, the debt is not owed and it needs to be removed. Anyway, we have the tools for that. Guaranteed debt removal, okay? Go into the store here, right here. Oh, there it is, right there. I already had it pulled up. And the debt savior system. Okay, guaranteed debt removal. You can't lose a penny. You get your money right back if it doesn't work. Don't you have any debt you want to get out of? Come on now. Guaranteed debt removal. All right. We're here whenever you're ready. Contact at libertyaid.org.